Okay, for this problem, we are given a cantilever beam with 2-point loads at point P and C, and meron din tayong moment at point C. Ang hinahanap natin dito is the smallest inertia, wherein our maximum deflection is less than 1 over 360 of our span length. Ano nga ba yung meaning ng 1 over 360 of span length? Ibig sabihin, yung deflection daw natin, pinakamalaking deflection natin should be less than 1 over 360 ng ating span length, which is 8 meters plus 8 meters plus 8 meters, 16. Therefore, our deflection must be less than 16 over 360. Ngayon, kukunin natin yung deflection natin. Pero, bago yun, kunin muna natin yung moment equation ng ating real beam, which is MAP is equal to 200 plus 10x plus 5x minus 8, and MBC is equal to 200 plus 10x. Okay? Moving on, gagawa tayo ng virtual beam, which is for deflection at point C, since ang deflection natin sa point C is bigger than deflection at point B. Dito tayo maglalagay ng 1 kilonewton point load. And ang moment equation for AB, moment equation for BC, both of them is just 1x. It's 1 times distance, 1 times distance. Okay? Next, gagamitin na natin yung equation. This is deflection at C is equal to the integral of 200 plus 10x plus 5x minus 8 times x. This is for AB. So, over EI dx. And since this is for AB, ang ating values for this one is 8. Evaluate natin siya from 8 to 16. Why 8 to 16? Because AB, since this is our point of origin, point C is 0, and then point B is at 8, and that's where we start, point 8 to point 16. That's why it's 8 to 16. And next, plus integral of 200 plus 10x times x dx over EI. This time, this is 0 to 8, which is the point of origin to 8, and that is for BC. Okay. There. Okay, calculator, this will be 33,280 over EI plus 24,320 over 3 EI. Simplify, it's 124,160 over 3 EI for our maximum deflection. Since this can't, this should be less than 16 over 360, or yung kanina natin kinuhang value. And meron tayong given na E na 200,000 MPa. Ngayon, kukunin na lang natin yung I. Simply 124,160 over 3 times E natin 200,000. Since MPa, kailangan natin mag-multiply ng 1,000 para maging kilo Newton per meter squared siya. Kaya dito tayo maglalagay ng 1,000 equal to 16 over 360. Again, ika-calculator natin. Ito pala yung I na hinahanap. ang I natin is equal to 0.004656 meter raised to 4 or 4.656 times 10 raised to 9 millimeter raised to 4. That will be the smallest amount of inertia we need para yung maximum deflection is less than 1/360 of our span length.